5 months ago, we started testing Forex Fury, one of the most popular EAs online. We've set a $1,000 live account and a funded account from trading.com, and 5 months later, I'm shocked by the results, and you'll see why. But before I show you the results, there is something I want to ask you, something that we've been struggling with. With my team, we always try our best to analyze the videos we record, and when we look at the analytics on YouTube, we are always surprised to see that most people watching our videos haven't actually subscribed. Please double check and make sure to subscribe, because this will help us a lot to gain the capital needed to test more and more EAs on live accounts, so you guys can choose which EAs to trade based on real results. And now let me show you the Forex Fury, which I have right on this VPS, and you will see that in the live account of mine, it gained $126 of profit. Well, that's about 12.6%. And here I am trading the default settings, where we have stop loss of 16 pips and take profit of 16 pips. However, with my team, we found out that there are slightly better settings compared to what I've been trading so far in this account. And here are the rest of the settings. So it is using lot size, 2% out of the equity, stop loss and take profit, max orders 1, which is important. It doesn't use grid or martingale system, no recovery trades to risk the account capital. And this is why we decided to give it a shot for the Forex Fury. And yesterday I asked some from the team to backtest this EA again with default settings, and we figured out that the total return of $33 to the 10K account with $28 of a drawdown, and that's for more than 3 years and 10 months. That's not really satisfying, right? But keep in mind that we always trade with 0.01 fixed lot, the minimum lot, so it's easy to see and compare all the EAs where we have low drawdown or what's the exact total net profit in dollar values. And obviously here the results are not very promising. Still profitable, but it's not the results you might be looking for. However, we played a little bit with the stop loss and the take profit, and we found out that the backtest shows much better results if we have stop loss of 22 pips and take profit of 26 pips. Now if I show you the results of the backtest, you will see that the total net profit now is $89 and the equity drawdown is $27. Again, this is just with 0.01. This is why the values are low, but when it trades percentage, there are bigger chances. The graph also proves that this expert advisor is not a grid martingale system. And what I will actually do for our X trading account, or we call it trading.com, where we have $600 of a profit. Remember here the target is 20% or $2,000. So Forex Fury is slowly climbing towards this target. What I will do is in this account, where I have 1% lot size from the equity, I will change the stop loss to 22 pips and the take profit I will change to 26 pips. That's the only change I will make. If I show you right on this screen the track record, you will see that it matches with the backtest, which is promising, and the total return is 6%. I have started with 10K. It went down below the initial balance for a few months, and that's why I was a little bit skeptical about this EA, because, you know, stop loss of 16 pips and take profit of 16 pips. It's not really a strategy that you want to trade, but now when we found better settings, I am a little bit more optimistic towards this EA. But most importantly, and why I was shocked really from the results, is because the other day I noticed that we've been trading this EA for over 5 months on a live account and a funded account. And if I look at the stats, I've realized that the monthly return is 1.2% with the funded account, and with with the live account, it is actually 2.4% with a profit factor of 1.29. So this is actually a result that matches my trading targets. As I said in my videos, 2% a month is more than enough. This is our threshold. This is how much we want to make. If we make more, obviously it's great. If we make less, then we can adjust a little bit the settings. So actually, by saying that on the funded account with trading.com, I'll also increase the risk to 2%, and let's see if I'll be able to make more than 2% a month with the modified stop loss and take profit. And if the performance improves just a little bit, I will be able to reach the 20% target. So the account I have right now is this 10K starting equity account where I have a max drawdown at $1,000. It's static drawdown and the target is 20%. Once I reach $200, and I've already reached $600 with Forex Fury. So with the improved settings that are based on the backtest and with a little bit higher risk, actually double risk as you saw, I believe this is possible to happen. And if I reach the target, I'll be able to withdraw 80% from the profit. Oh, this is $1,600, which is more than what the account costs. And of course, once you reach the target, you double your account, and again you can request 80% from the profit. I'll leave the link to trading.com down below in the description, as well to Forex Fury if you want to test it. But for me, especially with the funded accounts from trading.com, if I make 2%, I'm shocked, because always I start skeptically with the EAs. But if they make 2%, they make 2%. I'm happy with the results. And let's see if with the modified settings, I will be able to reach the 20% target faster. I'll also leave the link to our VIP club where we share the custom set files for all the EAs we trade, so the VIP members can download these EAs for free. Also, you can click on the join button down below my video if you want to get access to our private Discord channel and to all set files. As always, guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and before you go, check out this on my side, because you will learn about another EA that is suitable for a small trading account. Well, actually, Forex Fury should be also suitable for a small account. Maybe something we have to try. As always, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.